Unfortunately, many of the most serious injuries that people see occur because of a defective product. Either it was defective because it was designed wrong, it was just an inherently dangerous product that was going to cause injury, or it was manufactured incorrectly. The product itself is normally fine, but the way that one unit was manufactured and actually put together made it dangerous. Or the product had a lack of warnings, and because there were not enough warnings, the person using it had no reason to believe that they were doing something that was dangerous, but in fact they were. Now, those are the three major types of product liability claims, and those are the type of calls that we receive. People are often wondering, why can't I find a lawyer to help me? Look at what this product did. And generally speaking, the answer is, it really goes back. I saw a cartoon when I first became a lawyer. It was one of those, a book about lawyer jokes. Someone gave it to me, and there was a cartoon in there where the lawyer is saying to the client, how much justice can you afford? And in one way, it's a horrible thing to hear, but there's a reality to it. The reality is, it's not fair, but our system is incredibly expensive. And pursuing product liability claims is not only not an exception, it is the leader in terms of how much money will it cost to win a case. You can literally spend $250,000 or more just trying to get a case ready for trial on a product liability claim. So if a defective, dangerous product causes an injury, but the injury is not severe, well, you obviously can't spend $200,000 in 2 years of your life on a 50-50 chance to win $30,000 in compensation. Or put it another way, as opposed to say winning, to just be paid back what's owed by the at-fault manufacturer. Can you really afford the time, money, and effort? The answer for most product injuries, thankfully, is no. And I say thankfully because usually the dangerous product will not lead to such a horrendous result that it's worth pursuing. However, there are times that it's worth pursuing, and I would say this: if you're looking for a lawyer, as you call those lawyers, look for lawyers that have successfully handled product liability claims. Ask them if they have ever handled a product liability claim like yours. Ask them if they've worked with experts in this area related to this product. I don't think that that's the end-all, be-all. I think if you find the right lawyer with the right ability and the right attitude and effort, and you think it's the right fit, I wouldn't say to never use someone who hasn't handled that type of product claim before. But make sure in this area of the law you're dealing with a firm that can afford the time investment and the money investment it takes to take these cases all the way through to trial.